This is a Mark's hotel function lock. Usually we're dealing with Schlage hotel function lock, and I can tell this is kind of got the indicator button. That's what blocks the key from going in. Well, that's what indicates you can't use it being occupied. But this is inside a teacher's lounge. It does not need a keyed lock. And the more of these I can get rid of, the better my life will be. So I'm going to show you something with this. This is a tailpiece for the Mark's. This is a Mark's tailpiece for a Schlage cylinder. And if you look, if you can see it, the washer or whatever that holds the tailpiece in is already broken. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. It's already broken. Let me take it apart. I'll show you. This is a pinned on little piece here, and you can see where it's been wearing, and they fall apart. The washer that should go most of the way around doesn't. And if you can see it, it should be almost. It should be all the way around, or almost all the way around. But I'd say about half of it is broken. Not a big deal. We're going to replace it anyway. This is the older style. This part here on the newer ones has a little notch that allows it to slide off. Let's spend without pushing it. Put it in. We're going for key lock. The price left, I gotta change. Look how this is. Boy. $195, that means laboratory, I guess? No, it's privacy lock. Yeah, template, you get all the instructions. No, they were using anything other than $195. Privacy lock, no, they like it. The package of parts does not appear to be cylinder. It does have a hook tool, 2 new screw bolts, even though the other one would work, and a bag of screws for the latch and strikes.
No, I'm shaking yesterday because this moment here, the band on the show was like a last night after a record-breaking game.
Oh, come on.
It's the scoring, we heard it, 83.
Somebody must have put this door in. The newer ones have that notch in there, so it slides. I don't know if you can see it right there. Boy. Boy. So, if the button gets pushed, you can use a screwdriver. It's not a slot like a Schlage. A screwdriver will open it. Coin. A quarter or a dime. Make it open up. Schlage has a big hole, which people mistake for a keyway, and they walk in on people. Okay. We have a problem here.
I do, like, you have to get it done, but yeah. They say you can finance it like you're buying a car.
That's the problem. The latch is not, it's at an angle there, it's not going into the lock. I'm trying to shove a shim in there, behind there, and get it to. installation template. And fold it up. Kind of wedge it in there to support the latch from being, because eventually you know it's going to want to come in, just to keep it from moving in. They do make these little plastic things in there, other things. But just make it happen. It will also help prevent the latch from coming out of the lock body. Now remember, try your hand, make sure it's not binding. Line up your notches, slots. Voila. Another job well done. Just in case you didn't get it the first time, this is a Mark's hotel function lock. And we also learned a little bit more about her, like how she understands a little bit of Spanish because she studied it for 2 years. So she was able to understand what those four mercenaries were saying when they entered her bedroom that night. Now, back in 2021, the assassination of Jovenel Moise has sent shockwaves around the world. That cap's four suspects are facing still there charged with somewhat in South Florida. That washer that holds it. I'm not gonna worry about educating you on that. Oh, now this drives me nuts. Okay, see this dot right here? Lines up with that hole. Allows your poke tool to go in. They put this on wrong. It's, the poke hole is here. Why they do that, I don't know. But okay, the plot thickens. Across the hall from the other bathroom. I'm wondering if I can just turn it up and no, I can't because this is only here. This where your poke tool goes in is only straight out with the latch. I can't just turn the handle and do it because it'll be hitting down here. Okay. Yes, that she's aware of that investigation, but she blames the people in Haiti right now, those who are in power, saying that they are behind her husband's murder and they want to blame her now. And with the handle there, this doesn't come loose. Come very loose. So a lot more happening in court today. We will have an update for you later this afternoon. Okay, there we go. I got lucky that this was loose. Or loose enough to turn. A man is in custody after crashing into the oh, not the screwdriver. Surveillance video appears to show the suspect in the area that happened near New York City there at John Giuliani's home days before the attempted bombing. So the video shows one of the suspects who is driven by another old school spring cage. 18 registered his identification. He along with a 19-year-old federal charges for throwing improvised. This one isn't as bad as the other one. It's still off. Right, they probably pried the door opening, kicked it open. Am I seeing this? It looks like, I'll show you, on the strike plate, somebody shoved paper and stuff in there like it was jamming on them.
From the Midwest to the Southern Plains, where there's some sort of tornado warning after multiple twisters, apparent twisters, that caused major damage in Illinois. Video, this is from a storm chaser, captured the scary side of one of them. The thunderstorm that produced tornadoes in the state persisted for more than 7 hours along a 200-mile path. NBC Chicago with significant damage across the area, and that powerful storm, by the way, also brought small-sized hail from Texas.
Try the handle, make sure that.
Outbreak of that severe weather is still unfolding with a line of severe storms leading east. That's about
Sometimes it drags a little bit, it gets a little too tight.
This home, these homes, plural, torn to shreds. You can see that home considered locked foundation. The rest of it.
The doors squeeze in and put everything on the line. Look, what the hell? Let's take it apart again. Must have not engaged the latch. Yep. Same problem. The way the door is manufactured, I don't know if you can see it, but the latch isn't going in the hole. You're going in, engaging with the lock, I should say. See right here, so I need to wedge this over. If I just shoved it over, did it, eventually it would work its way out, and they would be locked in. So let's.
Across US where that front is, you get a little one right off. Very isolated. This front's going to be what we're tracking here at home. So notice it does start to begin some scattered showers tomorrow ahead of that front. It's okay. Widespread rain off and on into Saturday and Sunday, so it stays very active here. There could be some localized flooding when we get into days of the hours, and we're looking rain all day. You might see several rounds of heavy rain coming in with some rumbles of thunder possible, and then we'll stay with that next system coming in as we go Monday into Tuesday, down towards in that forecast. So right for tomorrow. Into Monday and Tuesday, that chance for rain sticks around, so it's going to help with the ongoing drought. It's going to help with the dry conditions that we have through the area. Not expecting widespread rain today. Today's kind of the last day before we get to building with more active conditions. But for now, 82 degrees out of the southeast and the 70. It's very warm. It's very humid. You have enough moisture for an hour or two.
No better.
50% chance. Temperatures are expected to climb back into the mid-80s by this afternoon. You'll notice in that extended forecast that we do keep that chance for rain really ramping up through the weekend. Temperatures cool down ever so slightly, but it's really that Tuesday that takes us from the mid-80s.
Line them up properly.
Miami Beach's crackdown on spring break. They include DUI,
Max moves. Lock. Unlock.
Traffic because of changes on the road.
Make sure it doesn't lock. When the door closes, the other door unlocks when the door closes. Success there. Will it lock with the door closed? Uh-oh. Getting a call. Well, I'm done. Okay. Gonna put 2 more marked privacy locks on, because every chance I get to remove one of these flag hotel function locks. The other one was a March hotel function locks. The reason I hate them is the staff go in and turn that button, which pushes the in. Well, you're only supposed to push the button, but it has the indicator, which shows. But if you turn the button, it doesn't release, or the door closes. It locks the door and the staff keep doing that. Indicator button still out, blocking keys. So we use our bypass key, straighten it back out, and then it releases that. But if it's in an office, like I am in it, basically a main office here, it's got 2 staff bathrooms behind the counter. So I'm gonna do both of these. Take these off, you don't need them. In the hallway where the kids might have access, yes. We'll put them there so teachers can have a private place to go. But here, doesn't need them. Okay, so let's get started. Recording. Let's get started. I put this one around. Okay. Cover that off. Okay. And the original one of these, not the original one of the designs. Everything can't work. You can't work on it. The newer ones, these are going to firmly fasten together. Not really, these are screws, so you can take it off, go there. You're done. But I'm going to use them. Okay, so let's unpack the box. The lock, screw pad, screw bolts, latch. Cover plate, the inside spring page. It comes with your screw plate, and how it goes, the installation instruction, your installation, and your general marks. I'm going to leave it on oil. They're always out to lunch. Even when they're here, they're out to lunch. Okay. Hold it. Poke tool, squeeze out. Poke tool in, and off, and things up and down. Okay, let's make sure I got the marks latch. Obviously latch. Closes. Closes it locks. Now sometimes you got the door too wide. It won't unlock. Try your handle. Make sure it's not moving. Not again. And make sure it stays on. Done. We're gonna lock the button and see if it pops out and closes. Sometimes the gap's too wide. It doesn't push it back far enough to unlock the door. Right again, lock it, lock, close, done. Now get the screwdriver, coin, enter key, open it up in case someone goes in there, and has no problem. For those of you who are not quite as old as we are, he died in the toilet. Okay, let me go to the next one. Let's see how long it takes. It's 11:51. Okay, so there they are. Let's just down screw back in. I did have one handle. Mine the other day, I lose that. That's what it does. Reinforcing plates. Reinforcing. Jeez. Hold on, is your handle fine? Okay. 11:55, 4 minutes. Sometimes they take me to bed in bathrooms. They corrode up a lot. I'm supposed to have to bathrooms. I don't know why. But sometimes they're struggling to get the cover plates off or the handles off. It's all corroded. It's like, but most of the time, 5 minutes, it's done. So it's a 4-minute job. If you want longer, walk your vehicle. To get it right here, I did too. Actually do a lot. Okay, what's your